Your Honor, I just want to correct again, no? We don't have any confidential funds right now. What we have is intelligence fund, which is
At
amounting
yun po ba
about...
yung gagastusin for these related confidential activities? Madam Chair, balikan ko lang kasi yun nga we note na merong dangerous implications kapag ituturing ng PNP na terrorists yung mga dissidents. And as mentioned, Madam Chair, dissidents are clumped with lawless elements, organized crimes, smugglers, carnappers. And Madam Chair, dissidents include young people, women, PWDs, indigenous people at iba pa. So Madam Chair, magkano ba yung total na proposed budget ng PNP para dun sa conduct of police patrol operations and other related confidential activities?
Your Honor, let me check on this matter po. Sir, we have it's about 168,984,227,000 pesos po.
168 billion pesos, Madam Chair.
Yes, Your Honor.
So Madam Chair, kung merong 206 billion na proposed budget ang PNP, ang budget para dun sa nabanggit natin, that's already 81% of the whole PNP budget. Madam Chair, parting kasi nung pangalan ay other confidential related activities. Madam Chair, anong kaibahan nito dun sa pagkagastusan ng hiwalay pa na confidential funds ng PNP?
Sir, what we have right now, it's 168 is already incorporated po dun sa ano natin. What you're talking about is confidential. It's more of our intelligence fund, not only for yung anti-crime po natin, especially po yung smuggling, carnapping, gun running, illegal fishing activities. But if you want to have the details, sir, can I submit po after po ng budget hearing? Because I have only the general appropriation right now that we are requesting about 168 million pesos.
Okay, so para malinaw lang Madam Chair, yung confidential funds ng PNP, kung gagamitin po yan, nakapailalim yan dito sa conduct of police patrol operations and other related confidential activities.
Most of our funds, usually, sir, ginagamit po namin for wanted persons. Kulang pa nga po yung pera namin for wanted persons kasi you're talking about dissidents and about, it's more of a proactive approach. But the most of our confidential funds, intelligence funds, usually used for most wanted and high-value targets po natin. Especially from drugs, from smuggling, and illegal
So,
and gun running po.
magkano ang proposal for confidential funds for 2025?
The intelligence funds we are requesting is about 806 million pesos po.
Intelligence funds.
Yes, Your Honor.
So hindi siya confidential funds? Or is it a mix of both?
It's both, sir, intelligence and confidential fund po.
Okay. Can the PNP assure this committee, Madam Chair, na kung meron siyang confidential activities, ang magiging source lang nun ay yung CIF at hindi nalalabas dun sa CIF?
Your Honor, I just want to correct myself. We don't have any confidential fund. We have only intelligence fund right now, which is being distributed for intelligence, investigation, and of course, our drug enforcement unit po.
So this raises more questions, Madam Chair, kasi kung gagawa ng confidential activities, ang allowed lang sa Joint Circular 2015-01 na pagkakagastusan, kung merong confidential activities ang agencies natin, ang gagamitin ay confidential funds.
Sir, again, no, what we don't have any confidential, what we have is intelligence fund that we are being used for intelligence purposes, for conducting sa Director for Intelligence. Again, I just want to repeat myself. It's more of yung sa mga wanted person and sa drug enforcement unit po natin.
Yes, kasi Madam Chair, ang title ng buong item na ito ay Conduct of Police Patrol Operations and Other Related Confidential Activities. So, ibig sabihin, Madam Chair, may mga gagawin na actually qualified na paggamitan ng confidential funds, assuming na tama yung paggamit nun.
Your Honor, I just want to correct again, no? We don't have any confidential funds right now. What we have is intelligence fund, which is
At
amounting
yun po ba
about...
yung gagastusin for these related confidential activities?
Your Honor, it's not, we don't have any confidential fund again, no? It is being used to really for convert operations against organized crime, crime groups, high profile. And of course, we have much of our funding is being for our counterintelligence activities in our police attaches, which is 8 police attaches in the different countries around the world.
Hindi, kasi gusto lang nating linawin, Madam Chair, kasi ang laki ng buong 168 billion pesos. So gusto natin, kung may sinasabing related confidential activity, saan exactly manggagaling yung gagamitin doon?
Now, again, sir, no, I just want to say to again, no, yung the 806 is being distributed for the different regions. And again, ito lang po yung intelligence fund natin. Sa intelligence funded activities po natin, which is, wala po kaming term na confidential. So, ito po talaga, it's more of police-driven activities.
Oh, so Madam Chair, ganito na lang. Kasi kung sinasabi na walang confidential funds, pero may intelligence funds, edi ang implication nun, intelligence funds yung gagamitin para sa ganitong malaking programa para ma-implement ito. Yun lang yung gusto nating makuha, Madam Chair, kasi hindi malinaw na sinasagot ng PNP.
Sir, I don't get the point kasi what really you're asking me is a confidential fund. We don't want, nawala po kaming ganon. What we
Yun nga
have
po,
right
wala
now
nga
is
po. But you have
intelligence fund.
intelligence funds.
Yeah, that's really intelligence
Oo.
fund.
At
and
yun yung
it's being
gagamitin
monitored
para
po.
dun sa other related confidential activities. For those activities to be successful.
Yes, yes sir, again, no, it's an intelligence fund
Yun
po.
lang yung kanina pa natin tinatanong, Madam Chair, na hindi head-on na sinasagot ng PNP. No? Para lang malinaw at later on, kung i-check natin paano talaga ginamit, alam natin, dito yun ginamit.
Sir, our intelligence fund is subjected to disbursement and liquidation fund. So lahat po dito, kasi if you're talking about confidential fund, wala po kaming ganyan. I just want to repeat it again. Ito po is subject to liquidation and activities po. So wala po kaming term na confidential fund. Wala po kaming dun sa ano po namin. And we didn't request any confidential fund. What we have right now is purely intelligence fund.
Sige, so Madam Chair, I think nasagot naman na. Ang gusto lang natin i-point out, Madam Chair, na sa ganitong pagpangalan dun sa item na meron kang mga confidential activities, tapos kasama sa targets ay mga dissidents, posibleng magamit ang PNP proposed budget, Madam Chair, to suppress free speech and the right to dissent of our ordinary citizens. Yun lang gusto nating mai-point out at this time na sinagot din naman ng PNP Chair, PNP Chief. Yun lang, Madam Chair. Maraming salamat.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Celia Linda in Ramos, anong klaseng PNP chief ito? Hirap sagutin ang mga katanungan ni Rep. Manuel. Pahayag naman ni Richard Mariano, Manuel, umalis ka na lang dyan sa gobyerno, isa kang malaking kalaban ng gobyerno. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Jerome Nido Timbang. Alam mo Mr. Manuel, ang may karapatan lang magsabi ng ganyan ay hindi sinungaling at walang tinatago na baho sa lipunan. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.